Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can check the billing settings in your Roblox account from out your mobile device. Now I'm going to show you how to add a credit card, for example, and how to change certain stuff. Now let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device and open up the Roblox application. Now from out here, you go to the button right corner where it says More. And from out More, you scroll down until you see the settings, as you can see right here. Now you open up these settings, and from here you go to the payment methods right here. Now inside the payment methods, you see all your current active payment methods. Now as you can see, I do not have any saved, but as you can also see, I can't add anything from out the app. Now what you want to do, you want to close down the app and open up Safari and open up the Roblox website on your Safari and sign in. Now here, don't press continue in app, but go to continue in browser right below it. And here what you want to do, you want to go to the top right corner where the little cogwheel appears, as you can see right here, and hop into the settings. Now from out the settings, we open up the little drop down menu in the settings and go down into the payment methods right here. And as you can see here, we can add our own payment method. Now here we can add a credit card or a debit card, and as you can see, it is easy as that. Now once you've added them, they will be inside the Roblox application for you to use. Now it's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.